Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix a Kasa camera blinking red. The blinking red light on your Kasa camera indicates a problem that needs to be addressed. To start, ensure your camera is properly powered and connected to your network. First, restart your Kasa camera by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for a few seconds, and plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues that may be causing the blinking red light. If the issue persists, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent your Kasa camera from functioning correctly, leading to the blinking red light. Next, open the Kasa app on your smartphone or tablet and check for any firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues, so it is essential to keep your camera's firmware up to date. Additionally, check the camera's settings in the Kasa app to ensure that the camera is set up correctly and that all features are enabled. Sometimes, a simple setting change can resolve the issue. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reset your Kasa camera to its factory settings. To do this, press and hold the reset button on the back of the camera for a few seconds until the light turns blue, indicating that the camera has been reset. After resetting the camera, you will need to set it up again using the Kasa app. This will involve reconnecting the camera to your network and configuring its settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your Kasa camera blinking red and get it working properly again. Remember to always keep your camera's firmware up to date and monitor its settings to prevent future issues.